Day 3, we're gonna get fancy. By fancy, I mean pomegranate sour, okay? Normally this recipe would be with gin or pisco, but today we're just going egg white, lemon juice, and pomegranate syrup. 1 ounce of lemon juice, this happens to be a Meyer, half a Meyer and half a Eureka, and make sure the seeds are out. There you go. Hey. Some of you don't like egg whites, that's okay. You can choose to make this without egg white, it's just less fancy. There we go. Pop that in. We know how much that is. It's about 1 egg is about 1 ounce, generally speaking. Not always the case. And then our molasses. I'm gonna go a little shy of 1 ounce. So this is like a 3/4 ounce pour. One of the things I like to do is take this guy, which is just the spring that you get off of a strainer, pop it in there, your egg white. Just make sure it foams. You wanna make sure that foam comes out. Oh yeah, we got some foam in here. Let's chill it. A pretty glass means a pretty cocktail. Come on, foam. Oh yeah, there's that foam. Little soda water top off, because this thing is thick. Make sure that garnish looks good. I'm practically having a cocktail. I'm fooling myself now. Wow, actually, this is my favorite one I've made so far. I'll have one of these tonight.